Hi everyone, welcome back to BIM-Clue Revit tutorial. So we have gone through this clash analysis ability of Naviswork Manage 2021. The next thing is we're going to look at is the timeliner function. Okay, timeliner function is one of the functions of 4D scheduling. If you know, we have a 2D modeling, which is a normal drawing on paper, which is 2 dimension. Then this one is a 3 dimension modeling. Then the next one we have a 4 dimension modeling, which is incorporated with the schedule. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to enable the timeliner. Then we add in our tasks. Okay, of course we can also add in our CSV file or Primavera project or Microsoft project MPX. So for this simple project, I'm just going to show you a few examples on how to use this tool over here. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to verify all the configuration, which is construct. During the construction, it will be a green color. Demolition will be red color, and temporary work will be in yellow color. Okay, so the first thing is I add the task here. So the first task is I'm going to construct the floor for construction. Okay, then plan start and plan end. Okay, start maybe is let's say it's today. Then plan end maybe is 1 week after that, which is let's say it's 25th. Then actual start also is the same, actual end also is the same, 25th. Okay, so task type will be construct. So next one, I add the task, which is a wall construction. So I'm going to following the date, which is 26, and then I'm going to complete it in 30, and then 26, 30. Okay, then also is a construct. Okay, so if you don't have a plan actual start and actual end, we can just key in a plan start and plan end. So once you have actual start and actual end recorded, you can actually compare what's the difference between the plan and actual activities. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to add a task, which is I'm going to add windows. Construction. Okay, let it to be after 30th is next year first, and then and is next year 5th. Okay, so add in another one. This one is construct also. Add in another one, which is the door. So let it to be 6, and then n to be 9, 10. Okay, so this one is also a construct, and then the ceiling, a task for ceiling. So this is going to be after 10 is 11, then following up by 16. Also is a construct. Then the railing is I'm going to add a task for railing. So this is going to put it in like you also can put the same date like 11, because it is while doing the ceiling, you can also do the railing. Okay, so let it be same lapping time 15. So finish earlier. So this one could be construct. So the next thing is you're going to be assign your items here. So first one, I'm going to assign the floors over here. Every floor I'm going to assign it as attached to here. Attach current selection. Then after we attach current selection, we're going to hide. I'm going to select this and then try to hide it. You can also unhide it. Okay. Just going to undo. You can unhide this. Okay. So if you select everything here, then you hide it, and then you are unhide. So it's more easier for you to make a subsequent selection. Okay. So next one is the wall. So I'm going to select all the walls over here. Select every wall. Of course, you still have your MEP items here. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to do it again. So don't be afraid if you miss out some selection. You can select it afterwards. Okay, let's say what's going on if I going to miss out one of the selection here. So for example, now I can select everything here, then I'm going to attach it here. Let's say attach the current selection over here, then I'm going to hide it. Okay, so these are the remaining things that I haven't selected. So the floor, okay, the floor also I select this one and I unhide it. So I can also pressing the control key, then I select this floor here again, then I attach it again, attach current selection, then I hide it. Okay, so the wall also I hide it. Okay, so if you feel that you have missed out the selection, you can select this one, then you control, then you just select, continue select the things, the walls that you have missed out. Then you just attach it here again. Attach current selection. Of course, then you can hide, unhide. Then you can select it as a whole. Okay. So the windows, you can select all the windows over here. Of course, you use the selection box to select everything. Including the windows frame. So let's say if I hindered by the lighting point, actually you can select the lighting and then you hide it one by one, or you can select the file and hide it. So you can adjust the resolution of your selection. Select the file. So let's say I select this file, then I'm going to hide it. select all the M&E, then hide M&E, okay? So, okay, remaining this one, so I change it back to the first object. So selection, I use the selection box. Select every windows over here. These are the windows. Okay, these are the windows. Then I attach it. Then I hide it, okay? Next one is the door. Then of course I select the door. Then attach my selection. Okay. Attach current selection, then I hide it. Then ceiling. Of course I want to select all the ceiling. Then I attach with the selection, then I hide it. Okay, so the next thing is railing. So I going to select the railing over here by using the selection box. Then I attach it here, attach current selection. So now I can simulate the construction. Let's say I unhide everything. Unhide everything. Now I go to my simulate here. So I can simulate my construction. Like I want to set like start and end. Let's say the start date is today and date is going to be the last day. So interval size is the percentage. Let's say I want to make 1%. The duration is going to be 30 seconds. Then plan start and plan. So plan start and plan end. Okay. So now you can see this is actual. You can compare the actual difference. Compare with the plan versus actual. Okay. So I'm just going to use a plan. Then okay. So now I can simulate my construction. So this is the construction of the floor. So once it's completed, then we proceed with the construction of the walls. So after it's completed, we're going to construct our windows. So you can see the schedule over here. Then following with the doors, of course. Then with the ceiling, the railing, and so forth. Okay. So this is how you create a simulation of your schedule by using the 4D scheduling function of Autodesk Naviswork. Okay, I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining. Hi everyone, welcome to BIM-Clue Revit tutorial. In this series of video tutorial, we're going to focus on the MEP modeling of cold water and sanitary plumbing services. We're going to have 25 sessions of tutorials guiding you from beginners to advanced level. You will have a chance to learn from an industry expert that experienced in Revit. The tutorial is based on actual project example. Therefore, you will have a solid experience of Revit modeling on the actual project after completing the tutorial. You will learn basic operation of Revit until the advanced modeling level. On top of that, we will share some technical knowledge and site experience during the tutorial. The most important thing is there's no limitation and experience required for you to start with this tutorial. All you need to know about Revit plumbing modeling can be found in this tutorial. This is the example of our video tutorial. We have clear English subtitle, mouse click and keyboard display allow you to have a better understanding of the process throughout the tutorial. On top of modeling techniques, you will be equipped with the ability of producing schedule, quantity takeoff, and drawing production. I gotta tell you that this step-by-step Revit tutorial is definitely worth for you to go through, either you are a beginner or a professional that always seeking a chance to improve yourself. Don't worry, if you face any problem or you have any question throughout the tutorial, please contact us and we will guide you through. BIMClue is also providing tutorial on structure, architecture, and MEP modeling. If you follow us along the way, you will surely become an expert on Revit modeling.